Song titled Ooch Ooch Bird. Have you ever seen the Ooch Ooch bird that flies around but is seldom heard? The only time he makes any sound is when he lands scooching on the ground. A Ooch Ooch bird, one of a kind, and it's very, very hard to find. He makes his sound when he starts to scooch. Ooch, ooch, ooch. Ooch, ooch, ooch. He only comes out in the day. He's looking for the girls who want to play. He has a curved beak and great big eyes, and long tail feathers used to fly. He's the toughest bird all around, except when landing on the ground. He makes his sound when he starts to scooch. Ooch, ooch, ooch. Ooch, ooch, ooch. The female Ooch Ooch doesn't make any sounds when she lands on the ground. If you are wondering how can this be, it's all about the male's anatomy. Below his short legs, his long balls hang down, and as he lands, they scooch across the ground. As he makes his sound, when he starts to scooch, ooh.